Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Are the best strobe lights for your DJI Mini 3 Pro on your purchases list? Look no else! We'll provide you an in-depth review of the top 3 strobe lights that are made especially for the DJI Mini 3 Pro in this video. On number 1, we have Vifly Drone Strobe Light. For those seeking for a portable and lightweight strobe light for their DJI Mini 3 Pro, the Vifly Drone Strobe Light is an excellent option. One of the brightest strobe lights on the market, this powerful little light is capable of producing up to 600 lumens. The battery life of the Vifly Drone Strobe Light is one of its most notable qualities. It is perfect for long journeys because it has a 4 hours battery life. In addition, the light features 3 different strobe settings, including slow flash, fast flash, and solid light for better visibility. There is no extra wiring needed for the Vifly Drone Strobe Light, making installation highly simple. It is secured to your drone by a powerful magnet, holding it in place even during choppy flights. With a 6-gram weight, you won't even notice it's there. Overall, the Vifly Drone Strobe Light is a terrific choice for drone pilots who place a high priority on visibility and safety. Both professionals and hobbyists will find it to be a great choice because to its bright output and lengthy battery life. On number 2, we have Tomat Strobe Light. The Tomat Strobe Light is yet another fantastic alternative for your DJI Mini 3 Pro. This strobe light has a strong flashing LED that can be seen up to 3 miles away. Due to its size and moderate weight, it is ideal for attaching to your drone without contributing extra weight. The mounting bracket that comes with the Tomat Strobe Light fits securely into the arms of your drone and makes setup simple. It has a USB chargeable rechargeable battery with a maximum runtime of 2 hours. In addition, this strobe light includes a number of modes, including steady and flashing, so you may select the one that best suits your requirements. All things considered, the Tomat Strobe Light is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and portable strobe light for their DJI Mini 3 Pro. Its compact design, lengthy battery life, and variety of modes make it a flexible choice that is certain to be effective. On number 3, we have HeiyRC Strobe Light. For those seeking for a top-notch strobe light to pair with your DJI Mini 3 Pro, the HeiyRC Strobe Light is yet another fantastic option. Your drone will always be very visible even in low light thanks to the amazing 200 lumens that this powerful strobe light is able to produce. The HeiyRC Strobe Light's small design, which makes it simple to attach to your DJI Mini 3 Pro without adding a lot of weight, is one of its best features. Additionally, it is exceptionally strong and weatherproof, making it able to withstand even the most challenging flying circumstances. With the variety of flash patterns provided by this strobe light, it's simple to adjust the lighting to suit your individual requirements. It is perfect for a variety of applications because it may be used in steady or strobe mode. A built-in battery is also included with the HeiyRC Strobe Light, and it can be rapidly and easily charged with the USB cord that is included. Overall, anyone searching for a top-notch strobe light to pair with their DJI Mini 3 Pro should definitely consider the HeiyRC Strobe Light. It is a highly versatile and trustworthy solution that will undoubtedly increase the safety and visibility of your drone thanks to its small size, toughness, and adjustable lighting settings. So these are some of the best strobe lights for DJI Mini 3 Pro to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.